ओके गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप? आई परचेज Victorinox wallet. It's a trifold wallet, and as you know, it's an Swiss Army knife company, made in 1884. Let's open it. So I have opened the first edge. First of all, we have a silicone bag. So absorbent moisturized silica gel. Then we have a wallet having rubber strap and holder. So when we open, one more thing, it's a Victorinox sign in it, and metal, pure metal. When we open the first side, it's the address, phone number, and your name applied on it, and your license or any ID number, ID card number. Then we shuffle to the second option, Victorinox brand. Then we have the second option. The third one is that. So, and at the back side of that wallet, we have a spare place for currency. That's all for today, and this is my first wallet opening in my car. I'm so excited to have this, so I decided to be open in my car. Jazakallah khair. And please do subscribe my channel. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.